Yeah, I think the first thing that's important is the Affordable Care Act is still here. It is still law. Now Congress did vote to repeal the individual mandate, which is the requirement that individuals purchase health insurance or potentially face a penalty at tax time. But that repeal doesn't actually take effect until 2019. So for this year, it is important that you stay covered, not only for the many reasons that it is important to be covered, but also because it's the law and you could face that tax penalty this year. Even if you get coverage through your employer, some of these things that we're talking about, right? Access to coverage for preventive services for free, no more annual and lifetime limits, access to the right to an independent review if a claim is denied. Those things are now available to everybody who buys commercial insurance that were never before. And so those changes are really a benefit to everybody. Even if you don't realize that the Affordable Care Act has impacted you, it very well may have. It probably does. Pennsylvania's hospitals have really been one of the groups that have stepped up to the plate and been a great partner in this effort to make sure that people get enrolled and are aware of enrollment. They've hosted enrollment fairs around the state, worked in partnership with entities called navigators who are funded to help people enroll in coverage. Many of them actually even have in-person assisters available at their hospitals to help people who don't have coverage enroll when it's needed. So. And just encouraging their physicians, their hospitals, the people who interact with patients and their families on a day-to-day basis to help people with their coverage and to get enrolled. So there's really been a lot of great work. You know, I think health insurance coverage is important for two reasons, really. One is it will cover the care that you know you need and you should have, right? Your annual checkups, your vaccines, all of those preventive services that are really a part of staying healthy and keeping well and taking care of your family. But it also covers anything that you don't know is going to happen. So if you have a catastrophic healthcare need, if you have a severe healthcare diagnosis or anything unexpected come your way, that's there and that's the critical protection that is going to make sure that you're able to get the care you need and able to pay for it when you do. Yeah, well, certainly my department, the insurance department, can be a resource. We make a lot of information available in simple, easy to read and understand. We have animated videos, we have guides, we have short brochures, and we make a lot of that also available in Spanish. So if you or someone you know needs that information in Spanish, and you can also just contact us at any time with questions. So at least for us as a resource, insurance.pa.gov is a great place to start.